Hey, in this week's video, I want to talk about image theft. Now, this is going to be a pretty short video, and it's definitely not sponsored by the company who I'm talking about here. I actually found them via the AOP. But before we get to that, let's think about image theft in a broader sense. So we have a few different kinds of theft as far as I'm concerned. We have the kind of unmalicious theft. This is the blogger who thinks they can use an image and doesn't really understand copyright, probably doesn't have much money, and has made a bit of a faux pas. We then have the ad agency who's used something beyond the term of usage or outside of the scope of usage. This is often not malicious and is usually down to either someone leaving the company and someone else picking things up and not really understanding that the usage has expired. And that's when we dealt with by a polite email for both of those to resolve them. With the blog, it's normally they take it down, or perhaps you ask for a backlink or something like that, unless it is a money-making blog, in which case a fee will be asked for. And with the ad agency, you just explain the usage has expired, send them the bill for the new one, and they pay it. I've never had a problem with that. We then have the more malicious theft. And this is the stuff that in the past I've been adamant that you should not bother yourselves with, because it's a negative use of energy and time. And instead of doing that and chasing money in a negative way, you could put that time and effort into a positive way of making money by drumming up new business. And I thoroughly advocate that still. However, I was on the AOP website looking at a particular brand to make sure they were all legit, because the AOP, which is our governing body kind of in the UK, they have a list of people who they go, these are good people, buy from these people. And within that, I found this brand called copytracker. And I thought, oh, I'll have a look at those. And it turns out that what copytracker do is you upload your entire portfolio of images. They will then find everywhere it appears on the internet. You will then say whether it's a legal or an illegal usage, and if you'd like to claim. They then, on your behalf, in a kind of no-win, no-fee kind of thing, plus taking commission, go and look for that money for you. The reason that I like this is because I don't have to put the energy and emotional effort into it to deal with these people who've stolen it. Whether it's photographers pretending to be me, which happens quite a lot, whether they'll be using my work in their portfolio, restaurants using my images to sell something they have, food brands using my images of someone else's product, pretending it's their product, whatever it may be, they will deal with the whole process for you. Anyway, this is a super quick, simple video just to let you guys know I'm not getting any money for this, any kickbacks or anything like that. I've just thought I'd like to share this with you. You can find the links in the description below, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.